One tomato, red and bright. Rabbit chef holds it tight. Two carrots, orange and sweet. Rabbit chef makes it neat. Three bananas, yellow and fun. Rabbit chef grabs everyone. Four apples, red and round. Rabbit chef's the best around. Five strawberries, juicy and bright. Rabbit chef takes a bite. Six cucumbers, green and long. Rabbit chef sings a song. Seven broccoli, fresh and green. Rabbit chef's on the scene. Eight potatoes, brown and nice. Rabbit chef counts them twice. Nine eggs, white and round. Rabbit chef's joy is found. 10 cheese slices, yellow delight. Rabbit chef holds them tight. 10 cheese slices, yellow delight. Rabbit chef holds them tight.